Hey everyone, the holiday season is here, and Clash Royale is giving out amazing gifts as part of their winter holiday event for 2024. So don't miss out on free chests, emotes, and more. I will show you exactly how to claim your rewards step by step. Now first, launch Clash Royale and check the game's home screen for announcements about the winter holiday event. You can find these updates in the News Royale section or through the event banner at the top of the screen. Now make sure to read the event details to understand the rewards, schedule, and participation rules. Clash Royale often ties holidays rewards to special event challenges. Now go to the Events tab and look for holiday themed challenges like Winter Royale Draft or Gift Hunt. Complete these challenges to earn progress points or unlock free gifts directly. Now, every day during the event, check Shop tab for free holiday gifts. These could be emotes, gold, or even legendary chests. Simply tap claim to add them to your account. After that, be sure to log in daily, as some rewards may only be available for a limited time. Now, during the holidays, Clash Royale may release promo codes through their local media channels or official website. Follow their Twitter or Instagram accounts to stay updated. Now use the redeem code option in the settings menu to claim these additional gifts. And lastly, don't forget to check if your clan is hosting any holiday themed activities. Some clans run their own giveaways or events during the season, offering additional chances to score rewards. And there you have it. Claiming your 2024 winter holiday gifts in Clash Royale is easy and rewarding. Don't forget to log in daily and participate in challenges to maximize your rewards. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.